Morning guys, January 16th, 2026. So there I got a call for a guy I worked for before in the past. And I guess he's got an old 3-tenement house. And one of the apartments has got water leaking through the ceiling. And he sent me some pictures of it. Looks like it's an old brass pipe that's leaking. Some of these old houses had brass pipe back in the day. And I don't really like playing around with the stuff because it's awful brittle, and I do have adapters. If I can cut the brass pipe, I got these adapters that I could solder on there and then go to copper from the brass. Called reamed adapters. I don't really like doing it unless I absolutely have to. I might be able to, I think where the water pipe goes up to the floor, it says where it's leaking and leaking down, so I might be able to shut the main off and unscrew that, put a new valve maybe, hopefully. The only thing with this brass pipe is you put any kind of stress on it, it could just snap at any time. It's like a disaster waiting to happen. Especially if there's like white crusties around with it's threaded. It's all threaded pipe and it's brass. It's thin, wimpy, soft. But anyway, this brass pipe, I'm not looking forward to this job. Hopefully I can fix it and get out of there without turning this thing into a real shit show. Wow. Unfortunately. That's an old wall hung there. It's a beauty. Pull all the water out of there. Where's your husband today? Is he working?
Yeah, he's home working.
Oh, he's home working. What, are you got him cleaning the house?
Yeah, I got him dusting.
You got him dusting?
You like that one, huh?
Yeah.
No, so I'm sure he's on the phone or something, taking care of business.
You got him home working, doing dishes and
Washing floors,
washing the windows,
and making beds, and
yeah.
Stage for that one. Hey, you kidding?
Got him cooking.
Cooking, cleaning.
He's gonna cook like my ex-wife. I come home, right, and she cooks me this hamburger helper shit, you know? Throw it on a plate and it's like a blob of muck.
Yeah.
Throw it on a flipping plate and the thing almost, you know, goes through the floor. Oh, shit's so heavy. Slaps it on a flipping plate and it's like, thing wouldn't want to move.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Wouldn't move unless you hit it with a nuclear bomb, you know? Hamburger helper.
You need seasoning.
Yeah, she need more than seasoning. Used to brag about her cooking.
Really? Hamburger helper, that's some bad stuff.
American female, you know? Hopefully I can get this apart.
What?
Hopefully I can get this apart and we could replace it. I don't want to leave that plastic nut on there because I've seen those blow before. Those plastic nuts. You put too much pressure on them and they let loose. Let's see what we can do, hopefully. Hopefully I get this apart put a new gasket on there with a new nut, and we're good to go. This is a tail light warranty.
Kenny told me to ask
You know what that is?
a tail light warranty.
Yeah, as soon as you don't see my tail lights no more, the warranty's over.
Oh, that's some bullshit right there.
All right, yeah.
Kenny told me to ask you about toilet. Which would you recommend, American Standard or Cola?
American Standard.
Yeah. And why is that?
There's a couple of ways I could do this, but I'm gonna try to keep it without too much problems
You need
here.
a towel?
If I can. You know what I mean? Try to keep the problems down to a minimum.
There you go.
If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. So why you like American Standard better than Cola?
Say that again?
Why you like American Standard over Cola? Is it easier to put in?
I don't like cola. I don't like them. Can I get that off of there? Oh no, I guess so. It's hard. Oh, that's got a thread on it. It's got a nipple with a thread on it. Wow.
Does that mean you gotta take the top off?
I don't know. Let's go shut the water main off. You know how to shut the water main off?
Of course I do.
You know how to do it?
I know how to do it.
All right, I'm gonna shut.
I'm not your regular girl.
All right, you shut the water main off, and then if there's a sink down there, can you open up the sink and drain the water downstairs? The washer I need. It's a brass nut. There's a special washer in there. That's what I gotta change, because I don't like that plastic nut that's up there. That's what I need. So I gotta shut the water off and see if I can get this in there. I'm not sure if I can or not. I might have to cut it and put an adapter on there. That'd be plan B. I should have an adapter here. 3/8. Should have a straight adapter here. I could do that too, but I hate to cut the pipe because it's brass. Because this thing, I don't know if I can get this nut on there or not. We'll try this first. If this don't work, we'll go to plan B. I don't like the idea it's got threads on it, but what can I tell you? I got the new gasket and the brass nut. That should work. I'm gonna put some Teflon on it too, you know, once I get it on there. We're trying not to be brass pipe in there. Sealing is really bad. Special washer, that's a special washer. And this should go in there pretty good. Hopefully it works. I guess we'll find out when we tighten it. It's a new gasket, so it should be soft. What is that?
I said a big difference in the weather from yesterday to today. It's freaking cold.
Oh, temperature-wise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel like we're back to winter.
All right, so I got a new gasket on there.
Yep.
Let me show you the old one that was on there. See, it's all, feel how hot it is. And then I changed this nut because these nuts can split. I put a brass one on there. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs, shut the washing machine off, and turn the water back on, and we'll check it, see if it's any good.
All right.
You might have got lucky. You might have got lucky. Hopefully, it's pretty bad. She's gonna turn on the water main. I just shut it off because you see, all this is all brass pipe in the down below. That thing there might want to leak itself. Let's hope not. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Turn the water on and as long as it don't leak, all the brass pipe under the floor is all brass pipe too. This is what it looks like underneath. All brass under the floor. He's filling. You got the water on?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of buildup in the veins there, you know? Don't we all?
Yep.
Probably.
Unless you're young, and then you might be lucky with that.
Just gonna make sure. So obviously, she's definitely no prom queen. Right?
Nope. She's pretty, but she's old.
Yeah, she's no prom queen. Toilet's pretty.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah, this is what they call a wall hung.
This house is 113, 114 years old, so
Yeah, it's a beauty.
I love this house. Love it. Me, my sister, my mother,
You know,
my brother.
obviously it's cold because it's cold water, but it's not, as long as it don't leak, that's all I care about.
Yeah.
This is like the best case scenario for the guy.
It's my nephew's.
Where's the toilet paper?
Right above your head.
Okay. Oh, okay. Got taking care of the kid. This is the true test to see if the paper gets wet. Yeah, that's good. So,
Do you find the older toilets harder to work on?
well, you know, at least I had the pots in the truck. I mean, these new guys wouldn't have these pots, these old gaskets and stuff.
Can you even buy those anymore?
Well, yeah, but you know, I probably had them in the truck for 20 years. These gaskets, and no one uses them anymore because
Let me
it's.
see what it looks like.
Huh?
The gas.
It's not leaking. See, I put a...
What, this right here you're talking about, they don't sell anymore?
The rubber gasket that goes up under there is a weird, it's a weird gasket.
Oh, alright.
It's a special gasket that you need, the 1/2-inch pipe goes into, and then it goes into that brass nut there. So I had one in the truck. That's the type of stuff that you have in the truck, you know, when you don't use it all the time. Specialty.
Yeah. You have a lot of those in your truck?
I get a lot of stuff like that. Might not use it for 20, might not need it for 10 more years. And then all of a sudden you need it.
There's always that one house. Well, you came to that one house and here it is.
It's like one of those, do I have that pot type of thing. I did, yeah. Alright, so we're going to put the cover back on this thing. I mean, it's a beautiful toilet. That made my day. You don't see them like that too often. You want to put that? Let me do it. Let me break this cover.
That cover, I'll break your ass.
Be in trouble. It's a real beauty. The flush elbow on it and everything. That thing, you'll never find that. That's an antique. The toilet, I wouldn't change that. And it's elongated too, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Wow. A beauty. Oh, brass pipe. This should dry up. It was leaking up top and leaking down. Should take a little bit, but it should dry.
Okay. I'll leave that bucket up there for
The toilet was leaking upstairs, the supply, and it was running down slowly onto the floor and then down.
Oh.
So I was able to fix that part.
Okay.
And but it was a slow misery, kind of like your marriage, right? Slow flipping misery, right?
Yeah.